Hello friends, welcome to my channel Floral Style. You can see Rangi Ramani art show which was on 27th March in Delhi, and I thank all the organizers for creating such a beautiful art show for all the women artists. This is my hand painted saree on Indian Odissi dance theme. I am an artist from Hyderabad and I could not go and attend the show due to some personal reason. This Rangi Ramani show was a special show for all women artists, and in this art show everyone was given a saree to do designer artwork, and you can see all the women artists who participated created beautiful saree. Each and every artist created their inner beauty on the saree, and it showed our Indian women culture and the woman power. I teach online professional certificate courses: freehand painting, oils, acrylic, tanjo, 3D murals, 3D flowers, oregano flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds, faces, and many more. I teach online, offline, basic and advanced courses. Those interested, do click the link of my website in the description below for more information on art. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art techniques and tutorials. Thank you. See you. Keep watching. Bye bye.